G'day guys, Duayne and Amelia here. We're down in Melbourne on a very exciting trip this week, and I'm blown away by our first stop. This is unbelievable.
Yeah, it's been incredible to come here to meet Robbie from Revival and to learn more about the work that Revival are doing to really change the way that we think about building waste. You know, Robbie's really passionate about ensuring that we basically can repurpose everything that we currently send to landfill, and he's doing incredible work to be able to basically connect buildings that are being demolished with people that need those kinds of repurposed materials so that we can avoid sending anything to landfill ever again.
It's unbelievable walking around this old warehouse, seeing all the photos on the wall of the projects that he's been doing. I think it's our responsibility as builders. Construction contributes so much waste to the environment and is doing so much harm. So doing stuff like this and just hearing Rob's passion and his purpose for reusing, recycling, being more sustainable, and as builders, we really need to be having these conversations with our clients and I guess educating them and giving them a direction on what can be done and how to do it. And the job that Robbie's doing here is just incredible. So get behind him, check him out. He's got an app.
Yeah, so there's an app being launched on December the 15th, Revival Cooperative, and it's basically an opportunity for us to band together as a community and avoid anything going to landfill. So nothing gets bought or sold on the platform. It's basically helping people see what might be coming up as a product that is no longer needed, from demolition on construction sites, from anything that you might be doing at home. It's pretty much anything can go on this app, and Robbie and his team have thought of everything in terms of the way that people can connect in a no-fuss way with people who might need those products, really with that mission to avoid things going to landfill. And I think as a builder and as a designer or architect, you know, there's a tremendous opportunity. We don't have a lot of accountability when we turn those lines on a drawing to red to say that that's going to be demolished. We don't really, you know, there's no such thing as a way. Our landfill is full. We have loads of products that were incredibly good quality, much better quality than some of the things that we build with now.
A lot of this stuff in the racks behind us is better than the new stuff we're buying. And when you see these pictures about what Robbie's been able to create, it blows my mind. You've got to get behind stuff like this.
Yeah. So check out the app, Revival Cooperative, follow Robbie on Instagram, and really start to think about, as you are working with your projects and the things that you would normally just put into the skip bin and send away, what can you be doing with those things instead to avoid sending anything to landfill? This is really exciting.